This 2019 Coachmen Spirit 2963BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, LP detector, water heater, air conditioning, microwave, oven, spare tire kit, DVD player, slide-out, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Coachmen Spirit 2963BH is 6,408 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.